today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful drop bead bracelet. So, let's start. So, our materials are drop beads. So, we have 8x4 drop beads, Miyuki 11 gold seed beads, clasp, jump ring, chain, beading needle, and 0.20 millimeter of beading nylon thread. Or you can use file line or any kind of beading thread. So let's start. So we will use 250 centimeter of beading nylon thread. So we will pick 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put it down. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, 11, seed beads. And then we will pick like this drop beads and pick 1, 11, and we insert the drop beads like this. So we add drop beads 11 and drop beads. So we will put it down and we will knot them 2 to 3 times. And I will pass the needle once again to make it more tough. Make sure that you will pass the needle for all of the beads. Like this. And to this seed beads. And to these 2 11 gold seed beads. So we will cut the tail thread because we don't need them. And then pick 1 11 and pass the needle to the next 11 seed beads like this. Also here. And lead to 11 like this. And I will pick 1 11 gold seed. So we pick 1 11 like this. Pick 2 11 and go back to this 2 11 . And I will pass the needle here to this drop beads 11 and to these drop beads and to these 2 seed beads. So we are going to pick 2 seed beads, and I will go back to these 2 seed beads and go back to these 2 and pick 6 11 . 6 11 pull it down and go back to these 4 seed beads this, and pick 1 drop beads, 1 11/0, and 1 drop beads. And 2 11/0. So 1 drop beads, 1 11/0, 1 drop beads, and 2 11/0. So we're exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this 11/0. It will be like this. Okay. So I will pick, the next is, I will pick 4 11/0 and go back to this 4, like this, and pass the needle here to this 4, pick 6 11/0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 11/0, put it down like this, and go back to these 2 seed beads and to these, and pick 2 seed beads more. So it will be like this. And the next is, I will pick drop beads. 1 drop bead, 1 11/0, 1 drop bead, and 1 11/0. 2 11/0, I mean. Like this. So we're exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to these 2 seed beads, like this. So I will pick 4 seed beads. We're exiting from here, and I will go back to these 4 seed beads and pull the thread, pull the needle and thread like this, and I will go back to these 4 seed beads and it will be like this. And I will pick 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 seed beads, pull it down like this, and go back to these 2 11/0 and plus 2 11/0. It will be like this. So we will pick again drop beads, 1 drop bead, 1 11/0, 1 drop beads, and 2 11/0. So we are exiting from here to this 11/0, and I will pass the needle to these 2 seed beads like this. And that's it for our new design for today, and I hope you understand my step-by-step tutorial, and I will make the other unit to reach my 16cm bracelet. So I'll be back. So I'm back, and I reached my 16cm of our bracelet for today. So we are exiting from here to these seed beads, and we will make the loop part of our bracelet that we will attach our clasp and chain. So we are exiting from here to this 11-0, and I will pass the needle to this seed beads. Here. So I will make our loop. So we have seven seed beads, and I will pass the needle to this, going back to this 11-0. And we will make our loop like this. I will pass it once again to make it more tough, you know. I want to make my bracelet very tough to use it more longer. And I will pass the needle here to these seed beads. I'll go back again here. And to these drop beads and seed beads. And once again to these drop beads. And you can repeat many times to make it more puff. Many times you want. So for me it's okay. And we will attach our clasp and jump ring. So I will attach my clasp here to this part. And my chain is here. Of course. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and if you want my designs and project, Please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye!